Jim Matuski here again with IAG, and behind me we have our 2021 Ford Bronco base model with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. Now our boss has been lending this thing out for us, so we've had a ton of fun just getting behind the wheel and seeing what this thing can do. The downside is we've run up a ton of miles in a very short period of time. So today we're going to be cracking into a minor maintenance oil change for this new vehicle. Let's check it out. What we have here is our oil change kit, which consists of oil, a filter, and drain plug. You can find this on our website. What we have here is the tools to do the job, which consists of a 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, a 15mm socket, torque wrench, and oil filter pliers. Now, if you don't have any one of these tools, you can find a link in the description down below to get your set. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your vehicle is securely in park with the parking brake engaged. Pull the hood release located here. Release the hood latch by pressing left towards the passenger side on the release. Then locate the oil cap. I like to remove this now to make sure we don't have any problems in the future. Once under the vehicle, we're going to start by removing the 6 15mm bolts holding the plastic shield on. Remove the shield. Next, we're going to locate the 15mm drain plug. That drain plug is right here and is located about 2 inches in front of the front cross member. Now by hand, you should be able to spin the drain plug out of the pan. Allow several minutes for the oil to drain out of the pan. Now it's time to locate the oil filter. That is on the driver's side of the vehicle. Ford was nice enough to leave us this oil valley, which is really going to help eliminate mess. For removal, we'll be using a set of oil filter pliers. The shot is being shown through the driver's side front wheel well. With the drain plug still out, partially remove the filter so that the oil comes down the valley. This is a perfect example of why you leave the drain plug out while removing the filter. This went from a slow drip to a full steady stream. Once the oil finishes draining, remove the filter entirely. With the filter upright, I found it easiest to remove through the wheel well. Time to open up the filter box. We've collected a dab of the old oil that we are going to apply onto the ring of the new filter. Normally, you would add oil at this point to the filter, but we're not, and I'm going to show you why at the end. With a rag, we are going to clean the filter surface off. Now install the oil filter on the clean surface. With tightening the oil filter, make sure it's snug, but there's no reason to crank down. Time to install our new drain plug. Now we're going to torque the drain plug to 21 foot-pounds or 28 Newton meters. After the filter's been installed and the drain plug is torqued, we're going to take a touch of brake clean and a rag to clean the oil valley. Now reinstall the splash pan with the 6 15mm bolts. Now it's time to add the oil. But first, we like to use a funnel to minimize the mess. Remove the funnel. Install the oil cap. Remember how I said earlier we weren't going to fill the oil filter? I'm going to show you why now. This Ford comes equipped with a feature called flat foot crank. So if you push the brake all the way down and the gas all the way down and attempt to start the vehicle, it will crank over without firing. Once the car goes through a full cycle, start normally. Check for proper level on the stick. Now it's time to reset your oil reminder. With the engine running, hit the back button. On the main menu, go all the way down to settings and press OK. Press OK with oil life. Then you will hold the OK to reset the light. That completes the oil change on our 2021 Ford Bronco. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this.